Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. The crash on Friday evening in the state of Odisha involved two passenger trains and a stationary goods train. More than 1,000 injured were taken to hospitals for treatment. Many families say they are still looking for loved ones. The deadly collision is India's worst rail accident this century. On Tuesday, Odisha's Chief Secretary Pradeep Jain said the official death toll rose to 288 from the previous figure of 275, while 83 bodies remained unidentified. The crash saw a passenger train derail after wrongly entering into a loop track by the side of the main line and colliding with a stationary goods train that was parked there. Its derailed carriages then struck the rear coaches of a second passenger train going in the opposite direction. More than 3,000 passengers are thought to have been traveling on the two trains, with reports saying both were packed. The country's worst train disaster was in 1981, when an overcrowded passenger train was blown off the tracks and into a river during a cyclone in Bihar state, killing about 800 people. Thank you.